Hey man, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Let's get going.
Yeah.
Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Aren't you gonna wear your seatbelt?
Seatbelts are for chumps.
Well, let me convince you to wear your seatbelt.
All right, man, if you can convince me.
Here is a lesson that you'll never regret, but it might just save your life. You gotta buckle up that seatbelt before you go out and drive. You've been waiting to strap. It will save you from crashes. See that your safety is good for you. It takes a seatbelt to hold on tight. Click into the car. I know you wanna click, it'll go far. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how. Wait a minute and I'll click, it'll go far. I know you wanna click back seat of my car. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how. Wait a minute and you might have thought that you look cool, but on the roads I won't take you far. No, I don't wanna hear you talk the talk. Come on and show me how you got this far. You've been waiting to strap. It will save you from crashes. See that your safety is good for you. It takes a seatbelt to hold on tight. Click into the car. I know you wanna click, it'll go far. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how. Wait a minute and I'll click, it'll go far. You wanna click back seat of my car. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how.
You know what, guys?
Wait a minute.
Let me show you how it's done. It's really not awful if you want to be a model. It's turns full throttle. It's oh. We're chilling a lot, sitting our spot. Buckle up before we go. Feeling so good, knowing I'm good. Get a ride with a strap that holds me. Yeah, I'm talking it. Click, locking it. Stud code dominant, prominent. It's me, Coleman, Nolan. And we're talking about turning you to a well-knowledge person. We like to see that you're learning. If we're buckled, no struggle. If you're clicking, we're chilling. You better hurry up, dude. I think the officer saw ya. C to the L to the I to the C to the K. C to the L to the I to the C to the K.
See that your safety is good for you. It takes a seatbelt to hold on tight. Click into the car. You wanna click, it'll go far. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how. Wait a minute and I'll click, it'll go far. I know you wanna click back seat of my car.
Yeah, I said click it or take it. Click.
Click into the car. I know you wanna click, it'll go far. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how. Wait a minute and I'll click, it'll go far. I know you wanna click back seat of my car. Let you have it. Wait a minute and I'll show you how. Wait a minute and I'll
Seatbelts save lives. From 2008 to 2012, 129 teens were killed in car accidents. 69 of those deaths could have been saved by seatbelts. 1 in 4 teens say they don't wear seatbelts.
It takes only 3 seconds to buckle your seatbelt. In those 3 seconds, you could be saving your life.
So wear your seatbelt and remind other passengers to wear theirs. Seatbelts only work if you wear them.
So buckle up. Take a selfie with your seatbelt on. Tweet that selfie at hashtag RHS seatbelt selfie. But don't do it while driving.
So buckle up.
So buckle up.
You might just save your life.